Pray, pray, pray anytime. Pray when you're sad. Pray when you're glad. Pray when you're weak. Pray when you're strong. Just pray and pray, 'cause anytime is prayer time. Pray, pray, pray anytime. Pray when you're sad. Pray when you're glad. Pray when you're weak. Pray when you're strong. Just pray and pray, 'cause anytime is prayer time. Ooh.
The offices in heaven, they're opened up for you. Every second, every minute, in every hour. In case of an emergency, just dial the toll-free number and connect with the Father above.
Pray, pray,
my mother,
pray anytime.
just pray.
Pray when you're sad.
And pray.
Pray when you're
Pray
glad.
when you're weak.
Pray when you're
Pray
weak.
when you're strong.
Pray when you're strong. Just pray and pray, 'cause anytime is prayer time.
When you see that all your things are going well, you've got your wife and your kids, a nice family, talk to God and thank Him in prayer. When you feel that your bones are still in place, you still can walk to and fro, talk to God and thank Him in prayer.